Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ryan with Hearing Aid Express. I'm going to show you a new tip today. If your hearing aid is not working and you've already brushed it like we discussed in an earlier video, you might need to change the wax guard. And I'm going to show you that now. Whoa! Oh yeah, okay. It makes sense to show you rather than just tell you. So, we're going to need a hearing aid, brush, and wax guards. Perfect. Okay, before we start changing the wax filter, a lot of people are still afraid to do this. So you can just take off the dome of the hearing aid and take your brush and brush off the filter. That will clear any kind of wax or debris out of there. Sometimes it's best to just change the wax filter anyway, and that's what we'll do next. Okay, so for the filter, we're going to take a stick out of the wax filter package. There's a new filter on one end, the little white piece, and then the empty end is what you will stick into the receiver of the hearing aid. That takes the old wax filter out, and then you'll flip that stick over and you'll put the new filter in. Just press firmly, pull the stick out, and you've got a new wax filter. That should fix the problem in most cases. If not, contact your hearing care provider and they'll find any kind of internal problems. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.